Hey y'all, it's Chia, and today I'll be showing you on how to fix offbeat CapCut edits, and here's an example for you.
Man, I be that pretty motherfucker, man. ASAP? That's right. Man, I be that pretty motherfucker, man. ASAP? That's right.
First thing you want to do is open a light motion and pick your format. Next, you're gonna add your edit. Now you're gonna resize your edit so the watermark doesn't cover the screen. Now you're gonna extract audio. Pick your edit and put it forwards to 15 or 16 frames. Now, export it, and now you're gonna open CapCut, add your old edit and the video you just exported. Then delete the edit here, like so. And now you're gonna crop your edit. Zoom it in, and now you can export it, and now you're done. Thank you for watching.